So I've been playing around the newly launched Jio Tag 2 second generation, or as Jio likes to call it, a worldwide item finder. Well, the price of this tracker has been set at 1250 rupees, which is most accessible for many people out there. And you also get three different colors, that's red, black and gray. So this tag supports both Android and iOS smartphones. So you have basically 100% compatibility no matter which phone you have. And this JioTag also gets a IP64 rating, which means it is practically dust proof and also splash proof to some extent. You also get a ring your tag feature, which basically works via the built-in speaker to create a loud 120 decibel sound, which you can basically hear from quite far away, and you'll be easily able to recognize the location of the tag. So how does this actually work? Because it doesn't need any SIM card and practically works straight out of the box, and that's because this works via Bluetooth Low Energy. So this device most of the time stays in sleep mode and wakes up only once in a while to send tiny packets of data. So the best thing about this tag is that it can work outside your Bluetooth range, which means it can practically work anywhere around the globe. Even if the tag is halfway around the world, it can still connect to somebody's Bluetooth and location and send you that live location on your Find My Hub app on your Android smartphone. So considering this, you can basically use the JioTag to track your wallet, your vehicles, your luggage, your gadgets, basically anything you need to be tracked, anything which you need to locate. The JioTag, being such a compact and a easy to carry device, makes things so much easier. But do note one important thing about this device, which most other videos might probably miss out, is that this can work only with one pairing at a time, which means you can either pair it with an Android smartphone or a iOS smartphone, not together and not simultaneously, one device at a time. So within the box pack of the JioTag 2, basically it's a super small box, and straight up you do get a sheet wherein you get a QR code for the user manual and also for warranty services. You get the JioTag inside with a small button on top to activate it. You also get a sticker in the box, which means you can stick this JioTag to any particular location which you want. You also get an extra spare battery other than the one which has been already pre-inserted in the JioTag. You also get a screwdriver to access the JioTag and open it up. That's a thoughtful thing by Jio. All you need to do is just unscrew it, open up the tag, take out the original battery once it's worn out, and replace it with the alternate or the second battery which has been given inside the box, and extend its lifespan by probably another year. You also get a small hanging thread through which you can tie it to your keys or your wallet. So in terms of the setup process, it's quite easy. All you need to do is just activate the device, press and hold the button until you hear a beep sound, download the Find My Hub app on your smartphone, open up the app, and you automatically get a pop-up notification asking you to connect to the JioTag. You'll need to give certain permissions. Just go through those particular notifications and provide the necessary permissions, and you're good to go. It instantly pairs with your smartphone, following which you get the controls within the Find My Hub app to activate the sound. You also get a logo on the screen which shows you the distance to the tag, and once you get near to it, the logo completely fills up with color, and the more farther you go away, the color fades down, or the distance is shown in terms of the color saturation. So instant and accurate location will be shown up on your smartphone screen. So this is definitely going to be very useful to those people who are looking to track certain items, to locate certain items, and don't want to misplace certain important things. So I personally think the JioTag 2 is an excellent device, considering this gets a brand backing of Jio. So this means you get top-notch quality, best app support, and coming in at a price of close to 1000 rupees only will definitely be worth, because all you need to do to keep this device working is a CR2032 battery. That too, you get two batteries, one pre-inserted and one inside the box, so you get nearly 2 to 3 years worth of battery life straight out of the box. And even up and above that, you can just purchase that battery. Hardly costs about 20 to 30 rupees, and you can keep extending and keep using this JioTag for basically rest of your life. So in terms of overall value for money, this is definitely good, and this is definitely one of those best worldwide item finders, as Jio likes to call it, which can be used to track any important luggage or items which you might need the tracking for. And just in case if you're interested in grabbing this device for yourself, the purchase link is given right down below in the description. Go ahead and grab it before somebody else does. And if you do have any doubts or queries regarding this, well, just write them in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to my channel and make sure to follow my Instagram page for some latest updates. See you in the next one.